Okay, shooters and reloaders. Normally on this part of the process, I don't hardly ever show it. My channel, like I said, I mainly cater to people that have been reloading an extended period of time or have some reloading knowledge. However, I'm just going to show you, and the reason why is because I'm reloading this Hodgdon's benchmark powder for my buddy C-Max. I just want to show him that I'm going to be using some bench rest primers just for him. So the only reason this video was made at all was to show C-Max, I'm sorry. To show C-Max that I'm going to use special primers just for him. If y'all haven't used one of these trays, maybe we'll do a little demo here while we're kind of waiting. You see how I did that? I take the primers from the box, I turned them upside down, I put the tray upside down, and then flipped it back. As you can see, some of them were still not in the right direction. So I just kind of shake the tray and they all turn in the right direction. A lot of people have problems using these trays because they let their primers just kind of be wherever on the tray. If you shake your primers all the way down to the bottom of the tray, hopefully y'all can see that, and you position your lid where the safety lever, I would call it a safety lever, you can call it an off and on lever, is in the right position. If you hook the bottom first, like that, if you hook the bottom first and then you snap, they all don't go flying all over. Because sometimes you'll have them that'll turn sideways, but if you do it like that, they'll all stay the way they're supposed to be. And all your primers are in the right direction. You can come over and you can just slide it on your tool and begin to prime your cases. Once again, C-Max, the only reason the whole world's watching this video because normally I don't show me putting primers in cases. Now, when I do use the lead turret press, I do use the press, but when I'm using rifle cases, most of the time, you'll see me do it by hand. That's just my preferred method. I feel like I get a better seating on it, more consistent seating. But the only reason this video is being made is because I'm showing Mr. C-Max these small rifle primers by CCI. These are the bench rest number 4s. Alright, we'll put them in. How you use this machine is just stick them in, squeeze it until it stops, and take it out. Put it in, squeeze it until it stops. It'll start firming up on you. The lower you go, it'll start firming up. And just whenever it stops, pull them out. And that's how easy it is to use this. This one here that I use is the RCBS. I believe it's called the Universal Primer System. The best way to use one of these is to have a small and a large. Go ahead and buy 2 because you will get completely tired of switching out from the small to the large primer pocket. So just go ahead and get you a small one, get you a large one, and have one set up just for the small and one set up just for the large. All right. If there's any questions about priming, just leave them in the comments below. It's pretty easy. I mean, like I said, I don't really cater to the new reloader. Well, we got one that's going to be an issue there. I don't really cater to the new reloader. If you have one like that double feeds, that's good. Just take it, plop it out, set it to the side, reopen, go back to what you're doing. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes they'll go in sideways. Sometimes they'll, you'll have it up just a little bit, and it'll cause another one to slip underneath there. But just that simple. So once again, if you have any questions about the RCBS primer, Universal Primer, just leave your questions below. It's pretty simple. There you go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.